When your legal case hinges on medical device quality expert witness support, who you hire can make all the difference. Capwell Consulting Group offers unmatched knowledge, credibility, and insight reinforced by a team of industry experts backed by decades of hands-on experience. Denise Holliday leads Capwell Consulting's medical device litigation practice as a seasoned expert in global medical device quality management systems, FDA and global regulatory compliance, along with medical device risk management experience. As a medical device quality expert witness, Ms. Holliday brings over 2 decades of regulatory leadership and teaching experience as she guides attorneys through product safety and liability claims, regulatory gaps, product labeling and adequate warning liability, and failure to comply disputes with medical device quality expert witness support. The team at Capwell Consulting Group is ready to help, bringing expertise, real-world experience, and credibility that holds up under scrutiny. Visit capwellconsulting.com or call 412-262-9191 today.